First question. Who among the following was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Answer option D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer option B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 3. Which of the following proved to be the most short-lived of all the British constitutional experiments in India? Answer option B. Indian Council Act 1909. Next question. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Right answer option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 5. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian federations from the Constitution of. Right answer option B. Canada. Next question. The inspiration of liberty, equality, and fraternity was derived from. So right answer A. Option B. French Revolution. Question number 7. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from the. Right answer option D. Constitution of USA. Question number 8. The words socialist, secular, and unity and integrity of the nation were added to our constitution by. Right answer option A. 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. Question number 9. The Constitution of India is republican because it. Right answer option D. Has no hereditary elements. Next question, question number 10. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए इंग्लैंड. Question number 11. The Indian Constitution comprises of. 448 आर्टिकल्स है अभी, ठीक है, 25 पार्ट्स एंड 12 शेड्यूल्स. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए 448 आर्टिकल्स, 25 पार्ट्स एंड 12 शेड्यूल्स. Question number 12. Who is competent to prescribe conditions as for acquiring Indian citizenship? इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए पार्लियामेंट. Next question. On whom does the Constitution confer special responsibility for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Answer option B Supreme Court. Question number 14. According to Article 23, the following are prohibited. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए ट्रैफिक इन ह्यूमन बींग्स, बेगरी, स्लेवरी एंड बॉन्डेड लेबर. Question number 15. Fundamental duties have been added in the Constitution by 42nd Amendment Act 1976 in accordance with the recommendations of. Answer option C Soron Singh Committee. Question number 16. Right to information is, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, फंडामेंटल राइट। Question number 17. In which case did the Supreme Court restore the primacy of the fundamental rights over the directive principles of state policy? Answer option A, Goloknath case. Question number 18. The right against exploitations prohibits children. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, बिलो 14 years of age from being employed in hazardous occupations. Question number 19. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, पार्ट 4. Question number 20. The ninth schedule was added by the Dash Amendment. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट. Question number 21. Under which article of the Constitution is the President's rule promulgated on any state in India? Answer option A, 356. Question number 22. Provision of having a UPSC and Public Service Commission for states are enshrined in. Right answer option B, Part 14, Chapter 1, Articles 308 to 323. Question number 23. The provision for contingency fund of India as well as for each state has been made under. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, आर्टिकल 267. Question number 24. While a proclamations of emergency is in operations, the durations of the Lok Sabha can be extended for a period. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, of 1 year at a time. Question number 25. The minimum age required for becoming the Prime Minister of India is. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, 25 years. Question number 26. The only President of India who was elected unopposed is. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, नीलम संजीव रेड्डी. Next question, question number 27. To elect the President of India, which one of the following election procedures is used? Answer option A, system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote. Next question. Who acts as the President of India when neither the President nor the Vice President is available? Right answer option B, Chief Justice of India. Question number 29. Disputes regarding the elections of the President and Vice President are settled. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Last question, question number 30. Who was the member of the Rajya Sabha when first appointed as the Prime Minister of India? इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, इंदिरा गांधी।